Welcome back. The 2025 Bajaj Go Go Evauto was set to revolutionize the electric auto rickshaw market, bringing cutting-edge technology, impressive efficiency, and eco-friendly performance to urban transportation. As electric mobility gains traction in India and beyond, Bajaj has stepped up with a smart and sustainable solution for city commuters and auto rickshaw drivers alike. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Bajaj Go Go Evauto was its advanced electric powertrain. It boasts a high-capacity lithium-ion battery that offers an extended range on a single charge, making it highly suitable for daily commercial use. With fast charging capabilities, drivers can reduce downtime and maximize earnings, addressing one of the key concerns of electric vehicle adoption. The smooth acceleration and silent operation ensure a comfortable and noise-free ride, improving both driver and passenger experience. Bajaj has prioritized design and ergonomics in this model. The Evauto features a modern, aerodynamic look with a lightweight yet sturdy frame, ensuring durability without compromising efficiency. Its spacious interior provides ample legroom and enhanced comfort, making it a desirable choice for urban commuting. The digital dashboard offers real-time updates on battery status, speed, and energy consumption, helping drivers optimize their routes and manage their rides more effectively. A key highlight of the Bajaj Go Go Evauto was its cost-effectiveness. With rising fuel prices, switching to an electric auto rickshaw significantly reduces operational costs. Electricity is far cheaper than petrol or diesel, and maintenance expenses are considerably lower due to the absence of complex mechanical components like engines and transmissions. Over time, drivers can save a substantial amount on fuel and servicing, increasing profitability. Government incentives and subsidies for electric vehicles further enhance its affordability, making it an attractive investment for auto rickshaw owners. Performance-wise, the Evauto does not disappoint. It delivers a reliable top speed suitable for city roads while maintaining an excellent balance between efficiency and power. The robust suspension system ensures a smooth ride even on uneven roads, and regenerative braking enhances battery efficiency by converting kinetic energy into usable power. Safety has also been a major focus for Bajaj in designing this model. Equipped with a sturdy chassis, advanced braking systems, and high-visibility LED lighting, the Evauto meets all necessary safety standards. The company has also integrated smart features such as GPS tracking and remote diagnostics, offering added security and convenience for drivers. With the launch of the Bajaj Go Go Evauto, the electric three-wheeler segment is set to witness a significant shift. Its blend of affordability, performance, and sustainability makes it an ideal choice for urban transport. As cities continue to push for cleaner mobility solutions, this innovative electric auto rickshaw is poised to play a crucial role in shaping the future of last-mile connectivity. Thanks for watching my channel.